Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very nice way to start off the week here, especially from the technical pattern perspective, and I suppose this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos that I've done on this one. But if you have watched past videos, then hopefully remember me talking about this red line here time and time again, right up there around the 322.50 mark, and as I've talked about that level, hence its color also, just been a massive sign of resistance, and the price has struggled, every time essentially the price got up around that area, including today. Price got up here and you can see struggled, was really not making any progress, but to give credit where credit's due, up it went. And since then, been grinding up higher and definitely got a good solid breakout of that level, which brings about the first update that needs to be put into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD support. So that is now going to be a very critical, very important level of support going forward. I'm going to get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But the point here being, this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. So a lot of people are going to be watching that level if it pulls back there, and they're going to be wondering, whether or not the price can hold above that area. So that's going to be just a very, easily identifiable level to keep an eye on, and you're going to want to watch that moving forward. And like I said, you can put together several different trade plans around that area if it even goes down there. I mean, if this grind continues, then who knows? Maybe a few days from now, it'll be silly to have spent 45 seconds here talking about 322.50, but only time will tell. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to continue to grind higher and higher, then this also is going to show that the price is now approaching a very historical. No, I take that back. It also broke through there, so never mind. All right, well, that's a good problem to have. Yeah, the prices. Let's actually go to the daily time frame. I don't know why. I guess I didn't realize that the chart made a much bigger move today than when I thought it did. So let's go to the daily time frame. Each of these now represents a day's worth of time. So yeah, we are now starting to go back to highs that have not been seen for even a longer time ago. And with the next key level of resistance being right up there around 325.85, let's just call it $326. So 326, next key overarching level of resistance. But all in all, definitely a good problem to have when you have to go back that far into the chart's history to identify next levels of resistance. So a great start to the week. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.